One cool evening, after Tochi and Kimani don play for beach finish, dem come start to waka go house. As dem reach house, dem see say grandma dey sick. She dey cough, her body dey shake. The pikin dem come begin worry. Sharp sharp like small detectives, dem run enter bush go find some special leaves wey go make grandma body better. But when dem give her the leaf, her body no still well. She still dey cough, she still dey shake. The next thing, every other person for village begin dey shake and cough too. Tochi come talk say something no right. So the brave pikin dem waka enter bush go find better help. Na there dem from jam one tree wey im name na Boabab. Dem beg Boabab for help, but Boabab talk say im no fit cure the sickness. But im give dem one big secret. He tell dem say one sparkling lake of life dey far far away. Say the water fit heal any sickness. But wahala dey sha. One big snake wey get horn and red eye dey guide the lake. Some people talk say na story, say e no true. But Tochi and Kimani no fear. Dem waka day and night inside forest dey find the shiny lake. Until when dem finally see am, dem rush carry the water put for inside bottle. But gbam! The big snake jump come out. The snake big well well. Dem begin run, but as dem dey run, the snake dey pursue dem. Suddenly, Kimani see one blue mark for the snake body. She remember say she don first see the mark before for grandpa book. E mean say the snake get sense wella. If dem touch am, dem fit talk to wise spirits. Tochi come begin do funny face make the snake for look am. As the snake turn look am, Kimani jump gbam for the snake back. She touch the blue mark and poof! White light full everywhere. Kimani enter one magic world where dem see plenty wise spirits. And guess wetin happen after? When Kimani come back, the snake don turn to their padi. E even show dem shortcut to take go back go house. Kimani come tell Tochi say na wetin the wise spirit talk be this o. Grandma no get normal cold. Na smoke from firewood wey she take dey cook na im dey make her sick. Dem need find another way to cook wey no go bring smoke. Dem rush go check grandpa book again, and guess wetin dem see? Dem see better way to take cook with the sun. Dem come use wetin dem learn from inside the book take make their own sun cooker box. As dem make am finish, dem put pot of food inside, carry am face sun. Small small, the sun begin cook food. No more smoke, no more wahala. From that day, everybody for Malaika village begin use sun take cook. Life come begin sweet, food dey done, and everybody dey live happily ever after.